Hi everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to use Screencast O Matic in order to record your TED Talk. The way that I usually get to Screencast O Matic is I just Google Screencast O Matic, just like that, and it's the first link, and it should bring you to this homepage, and you'll hit Launch Free Recorder. When you hit Launch Free Recorder, it might prompt you with some preferences, some permissions. Just hit OK for everything. This is totally free. You can record up to 15 minutes, which your TED Talk should not go beyond 5, or for my students, 7 minutes. So make sure that you hit OK for everything. When you hit OK, there will be some window down here below that will open up and ask you to make sure that all of your permissions and settings are correct. You're going to want to make sure that your webcam is on so that you can record like this, and you can sit or stand, and you're going to be in the frame. You can also choose to move your webcam up, or make it real big, or you can make it in the window. Either way is fine. And once you do that, you're going to want to go to your PowerPoint. Let's say that this is my TED Talk PowerPoint. And before I hit record, because there will be a button over here that says record, I'm going to want to put this in presentation mode. And you'll notice that my TED Talk is now in presentation mode and my webcam is still on. And then you can hit record and you can go through your slides just like this. It's super easy. Once you're finished with your TED Talk, you'll hit pause or stop recording. And you're going to want to save it as an MP4 file. And in my next video, I will show you how to upload a video to YouTube via an MP4.